Hi, I'm Dan Barry with Jabra, and I'm here live at the Exertis E4 event in Dallas, and I'm here to talk to you quickly about the Jabra video line of collaboration. Right here, we have our showcase product. This is our P50 video bar. This is a 180-degree panoramic view video conferencing bar that has audio as well. And kind of as you kind of swing over here, this is our original PanaCast product. Same features. It has those 3 cameras in front that gives you 180-degree viewing capability, 4K quality. And then up top, we have for the hybrid home worker or in the office warrior, we have our P20 product. A lot of the same features that you find in this product are in the P50, but it's generally reserved for a personal webcam. You'd want to pair that with like a Speak product or one of our audio headsets. And then over here we have a convenient Meet Anywhere bundle that's comprised of the original Jabra PanaCast product along with one of our Speak series products. So we're excited to grow and advance our video collaboration products in the space. If you want to learn more, visit us at jabra.com. Thank you.